looks like it would be called that. And that is because in my latest videos I've been filming a lot during the day, but this happens to be filmed at night. So it is, you already know we got the red light on because it is not bright. Red light is one of the, I believe, the lowest, light. Yeah, there you go, science. It's one of the lowest light. I don't know. It's not as bright as other light. So, I know what I'm talking about, but that's besides the point. Let's not focus on that. Let's instead focus on this thing that I got recently. And there is nothing in this because I took it out of the box. This is actually something for sleep. This is a pillowcase, and this is because I've been trying to get 100% cotton items, meaning like clothing, right? So materials, shirt, hoodie, etc. And recently I got 100% cotton pillowcase because I thought that would just be good for, my face. I sleep on a pillow 8 hours per night, so, you best believe I want some good quality material, because that's a long time. So anyway, long story short, I got 100% cotton pillowcase, but it came in this box. Now, it's a pretty ordinary box, but I don't know, I don't know, I just started tapping on it. You know how it is. You buy something and you start tapping on the box. It's normal stuff, but wait, maybe I hyped it up too much. No, that's pretty solid. I don't know if it's the shape of the box. It's not like a regular tapping. It's a valid trigger. Okay, it's a valid trigger. It's it almost sounds a bit like Rainfall to me. Which actually, now that I think about it, would be an absolute vibe of an ASMR video. This is like a POV. You're driving home from, I don't know, like a vacation or something. You're a young lad or lady driving home from a family vacation or something. You're in the car, asleep, rain hitting the windows. I don't know, is that relatable? Hopefully, I'm sure you've heard rain. Let's go with that, Listen to the rainfall, the pitter patter, the pitter patter, pitter patter. Oh, we just found a phrase for the next video. We absolutely just found a phrase for the next video, guys. That's pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. Against the window, pitter patter. I guess anything can be a valid ASMR phrase. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter if it, if I was sponsored, ideally it would be something like this. That would be pretty dope to get some sleep-related sponsors up in here. So I'm not hitting you with, anything wild. No offense, JoJo, but Morgan and Morgan. I mean, I'm just saying. To be fair, that is insane though. That is huge. But for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, JoJo ASMR has been sponsored by Morgan and Morgan a few times, which is like, I mean, hey, maybe one of the subs needs it out there, but I wouldn't think ASMR is like the target audience for that. But then again, I'm like, well, I mean, once you have enough viewers, like JoJo has 3 million subscribers, so gotta imagine someone out there needs a lawyer. Maybe not for ASMR, but for something else, Maybe we will need ASMR lawyers in the future, but until that day. Or we put patents on triggers or something, I don't know. I'd be screwed, man. Because right now I'm just, what's poppin'? We got what's poppin', it's gotta go. We gotta go to sleep, All valid triggers. So listen to the bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter. Just some gentle rainfall hitting the window of the car, or of the house, or of the apartment, or of wherever it is, the restaurant. I don't know. Listen to the rainfall. Listen to the rainfall. The bitter batter against the window. The bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter. The bitter batter, the bitter batter, the bitter batter, bitter batter, bitter batter, bitter batter. Listen to the bitter batter, 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 listen to the bitter batter. Listen to the bitter batter, 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 listen to the bitter pitter of the rainfall, the pitter patter, the pitter patter, the pitter patter. I quite enjoy that. The pitter patter, 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 the pitter patter. It's not raining outside right now, but I think it said the winds were like am I making this up? Is this insane? 13 miles an hour? I don't know what's normal. That's probably not. I don't know. It's intense out there, guys. Things are falling over. Things are falling over, but we're not interested in the wind right now. We're interested in the rain. The pitter patter of the rain. The pitter patter, the pitter patter, the pitter, 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 the pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. Unpredictable rainfall. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it again. That scared the heck out of me. Listen to the bitter patter of the rain, the bitter patter of the rain, the bitter patter of the rain. Listen to the bitter patter of the rain, the bitter patter of the rain, the bitter patter of the rain, 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 bitter patter of the Maybe I'll just be the guy, the ASMR guy known for just the phrases, you know? I don't know, that sounded cool in my head, and then I said it, and then I was like, I don't have anything else, but yeah, I don't know if that would be as dope as I think. I think it would be cool, you know, just make videos with, like, each video has its own unique phrase, you know, to pair with the sound. Maybe there's something there. Maybe there's something there. There might be something there. Bitter, better. is, and for me, it's an absolute vibe at night. Like, if it rains at night, I'm always like, yes. But during the day, no bueno. And I think that's just, I imagine that's the case for most people. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't really want a blue sky, sunny day. That's when I feel the most ideal. And then rain is kind of a little gloomy. Like, I guess some days you might want a rainy day, you know, just chill. But for the most part now, in the nighttime, it's like not usually outside, so I don't really care. It's kind of nice to have some rainfall hitting the window, some nice pitter patter against the window, you know. Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter 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 pitter. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me know, what did you think of that trigger? Did it sound like rain? Did I just make that up? Because I pretty much just said it did the entire video, and also paired it with pitter patter. But also let me know what you thought of that as a phrase. Clearly I've been going down this rabbit hole of just wanting to do these tingly phrases, but I actually do mess with them quite a bit, so let me know if you do as well. With that said, I want to thank you, as always, for all your support, for watching, viewing, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, maybe even leaving a dislike on the video. That still helps support. That still pays me $100 per dislike. That's a new thing they added on YouTube. That is complete BS. I just made that up, but that would be pretty dope. Or maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, with that being said, I said the thank you. I gave the appreciation. And with all that being said, which I think I said,